in the field of cybercrime, for instance, it is clear that cyber criminals are trying to use AI to be even better at performing their crimes. At the same time, AI also offers fantastic opportunities for law enforcement to beat the criminals at their game. It is a race we must win.
Artificial intelligence as a paradigm is growing very rapidly, but AI is also beginning to throw up large number of legal policy and regulatory issues. These are issues which are not specifically answerable as of now. For example, there is going to be a massive advent of artificial intelligence crimes. How do we deal with these crimes? Can we put artificial intelligence to imprisonment? Definitely not. Then whose criminal liability will be once these artificial intelligence crimes takes place? Further, the entire issue of liability of service providers who are providing AI-related services is a very, very important issue that needs to be appropriately addressed. In addition, we are beginning to find that the issues pertaining to quality of service will also gain very, very significance. From the law enforcement angle, AI is like a Pandora's box. We don't exactly know what's going to come out of it. And at the time when the law enforcement agencies are still struggling to deal with the superficial web, the coming of artificial intelligence is going to lead to a massive epidemic of cybercrimes. And law enforcement agencies need to appropriately be prepared to deal with these kinds of AI-related epidemics on cybercrimes. That's why a new legal discipline has started emerging. This is the artificial intelligence law discipline, which is broadly emerging under the cyber law umbrella. And therefore, as now we go forward with the advent of artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, blockchains, and of course, now the new evolving paradigm of quantum computing, it's going to be a different ballgame altogether. So while the legal sectors and the law enforcement agencies have to be prepared, lawmakers will have to very quickly start getting into action and coming up with appropriate legal policy and regulatory frameworks which can effectively regulate the artificial intelligence in a manner that it does not go out of control. Imagine if artificial intelligence tomorrow becomes so intelligent that it overrides human intervention or human commands. Now, I've been advocating that the need for starting up with legally regulating artificial intelligence, the time is now. If we're going to start in the next 2 years, it's going to be delayed. So therefore, a lot of focus has to be done, and all stakeholders, whether it's lawyers, whether it's legal officers, jurists, or legislative lawmakers, as also law enforcement agencies, will have to now start contributing on how customized legal approaches can be evolved for dealing with cybercrime and other related challenges that artificial intelligence as a paradigm is bringing forward.
L'intelligence artificielle pose de nouveaux défis en matière de cybercriminalité. La bonne nouvelle, c'est que l'intelligence artificielle va permettre de lutter plus efficacement contre un certain nombre de phénomènes criminels. À titre d'exemple, on peut imaginer à quel point une intelligence artificielle pourrait aider à protéger des systèmes, c'est-à-dire à pouvoir détecter des failles qui, elles, sont toujours bien humaines. D'un autre côté, l'intelligence artificielle peut aussi être un outil d'attaque, et peut-être un outil également qui va aller rechercher et exploiter des failles. Donc, d'un côté comme de l'autre, les enjeux aujourd'hui pour l'ensemble des techniciens, ingénieurs et également policiers, magistrats qui luttent contre la cybercriminalité est de prendre en compte ce nouveau défi de façon à pouvoir y lutter efficacement et s'en approprier les thèmes.